How to delete your Instagram account without password. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is click on these three horizontal lines and then go to the settings, and then what you have to do is click on the security, and then you have to click on the password. And then as you know that you have don't know your password, so click on the forgot password, and then the email account, email address which linked to your Instagram account is send reset password, so click on the OK. So the reset password is sent to your email. So here you can see the reset your password, so click on the reset your password in the blue line. So I want to open with Chrome, and here you can see when you click on this, here you have to type your in new email, new password, like I type this one, and click reset password, and so the password don't match, so I have to click 1 2 3 4 5 and click on the reset password. And then what you have to do is go to your when your password is updated, then what you have to do is go to your profile, and then click on the settings, and then what you have to do is go to the help, and then click on the help center, and then you can open it with the Chrome. And then what you have to do is you if your language is other, so you can change it by the this bottom, by going to the bottom of the page, and then you have to type the in the search bar, search tab, like delete, and then here comes the option, you have to click on the how do I delete my Instagram account, and then you have to find the delete your account in the blue line, blue colored line, and so click on the delete your account, and then you can open it with the Chrome. So you have to so you can choose any regions that you want, want to delete your account, and you have to enter your password, and you know that my password is what, so don't worry about that. So when you click on the delete, and then your account is permanently deleted, and you know that you know that your password, so don't worry about that. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, comment below that this video is helpful. Have a good day.